Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session I will talk about text justification, mean how to align the text. For example, if you want to align the text in left, that will be left justification. If you want to align the text in middle, that will be in middle justification. If you want to align the text in right, that will be right justification. So for example, this is a baseline. If I want to just align text toward left justification, so what I will do, this is the base point, and if I want to just align this to the left justification, text will be start from here toward this direction. Okay, this is the left. Okay, it will be start from this direction, okay, toward this point. If I want to just align it as middle justification, this will be the center point. Okay, this is a middle point. Okay, and all text will be right toward this and this direction because this is a center point. And if I want to just align to the right direction, okay, that will be this point. Okay, when I will write any text, this is the base point and it will write toward this direction. Okay, this is all about justification. So let me do it practically, so how it will be possible. For example, I will go into the annotation panel and I will activate a single line. Okay, I will hit enter. Okay, and then I will right click here. So here you can see one of the options, that is justify. I will click here. Now you can see some of the options. Left, if you want to just align left. Okay, center, right, align in any position, middle, fit. Okay, top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Okay, these are justification. So I will just give you some of the example. For example, I want to align left. Okay, so I will click here. Now it is asking about specify start point of the text. So this is the start point of this text. For example, I will click here. Now it will ask about what is the text height. So I will write here, for example, 0.50 is the text height. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about rotation angle. I will type here 0 and I will hit enter. Now this is what left justification. Now when I will type anything, it will just write toward this direction. For example, this is what drawing number. Okay, dr drawing number. Okay, same like this one. Now let's try the right justification. I will hit enter for 2 times. Then I will write from here, for example. Okay, I will activate this single line. Okay, then I will right click. I will go into the justify. I will go into the right. Okay, now it is asking about which is the point. Okay, so I will click here. This is the point. Now it is asking about what is the text height. 0.50 is the height. I will hit enter. Rotation angle will be 0. I will hit enter. Now I can write. Okay, let's see what will happen here. So the next thing here is drawing name. Okay, so I will write here. You can see now text direction is toward this one. Okay, toward right. Okay, it is starting from right and it will be right toward this direction. Okay, first left justification was toward this direction. Now right justification is toward this direction. Drawing name. Okay, name. So I will hit enter for 2 times. Okay, now again let's see one more, that is middle. Okay, so for example, I just want to activate from here line. Okay, then again I will go into the justify and I will just enter here center point. So for example, I want to write here in center. I will give the point, then I will give the height. So 0.50 is the height, and then rotation angle is 0. Then I will write something, drawing status. For example, you can see drawing. So what is here? This is the base point, and in this point all text will be written. Status, you can see this is the base point, middle. Okay, and you can see some of the text are here in this position and some of the text are here in this position. Okay, now what if you want to just write the text in circle? For example, in the middle of the circle, I will hit 2 times enter. I will go here in this circle. I will just activate text from here, single line, right click. I will go into the justify. Now I will go into this point. Okay, middle center. Okay, I will hit here. Now what I will do, I will just click here. Okay, in this point. Now it will ask about what is the text height. 0.50. 0 is the rotation angle. Now I want to write something. You can see here I will just zoom in. Okay, if I want to write something, okay, this is in the center of this circle. Okay, this is the point. Okay, so this is how you can just use justification option in AutoCAD. This is a wonderful option and this is very helpful option, okay, for you if you want to just write a text in some boxes. Okay, if you want to drawing number, drawing status, drawing name, so you can use these options. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you.